Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a medium-sized paper bag. First, gather your essential materials: a sheet of paper, a ruler, a pencil, scissors, and some glue. For a durable bag, select sturdy paper like craft paper or cardstock. A typical medium bag measures around 10 inches tall, 5 inches wide, and 3 inches deep, perfect for various uses. Let's get started. Now, let's form the main body of your bag. Take your paper and fold it in half lengthwise, ensuring a 1-inch overlap along one edge. Apply a thin line of glue to this overlap and press it down firmly to create a strong, seamless cylinder. Next, fold up the bottom edge of your paper by about 2 inches. This initial fold is crucial for establishing the bag's base. With the bottom edge folded, it's time to construct the base. Open up that 2-inch fold and carefully flatten the corners into neat triangles. Now, fold the top and bottom flaps of this section towards the center, making sure they overlap by about 1 inch. Secure these flaps with glue, pressing firmly. This creates a sturdy, flat bottom that will hold your item securely. Finally, let's add the finishing touches and handles. To give your bag shape, create side gussets by folding in 1 inch on each side, from top to bottom. Next, punch 2 holes on each side of the top edge, about 1 inch from the top. Thread your chosen ribbon or string through these holes and tie secure knots. Your custom medium paper bag is now complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.